In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out WPS account. If you are using WPS on your desktop and you want to safely log out of your account, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. This is especially useful if you are using a shared computer, switching accounts, or no longer plan to use WPS on a specific device. To begin, make sure WPS is already open on your computer. Once the application is fully loaded, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon displayed there. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open the account menu. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click the option labeled Sign Out. As soon as you do this, WPS will prompt you with an additional message related to your sign-in records. At this point, you will be asked whether you want to clear and delete the sign-in records on the device. These records include cloud document cache and any file backup data that may have been restored on your computer. This option is important, so take a moment to choose carefully. If you are sure that you will no longer use WPS on this device, or if the computer is shared with other users, it is recommended to clear and delete the sign-in records. Choosing this option helps protect your data and reduces the risk of information being accessed by someone else. On the other hand, if this is your personal and trusted device and you plan to log back in later, you can choose to retain the data. This means that the cloud document cache and file backups will remain saved on the device for future use. Just make sure that the device is secure and trustworthy to prevent any potential data leakage. Once you have selected the option that best fits your situation, click Sign Out to confirm. WPS will then log you out of your account and the process will be complete. That is all there is to it. You have successfully logged out of your WPS account on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.